Hey, this is Tommy, and this is my daily English speaking challenge. So if you're watching my video today, I challenge you to make a short video every day speaking in English about anything in your life. Post it to social media with the hashtag Speak English with Tommy and tag me there. So this is a question a lot of people ask me. Hey, Tommy, is learning English hard? I would say, yep, it's hard, but it's not impossible. A lot of people learn English, and you can too. Just remember to do it one more time every day. Read one more page of English. Speak one more sentence. Learn one more new word. And listen to English one more time. That's how you learn. And just remember that it will not be easy. Sometimes you'll feel like giving up. And sometimes you'll feel tired. But remember, as long as you don't give up, you can't fail. You don't need to be special to learn English. You don't need to be gifted to learn English. You don't need to be perfect to learn English. You just need to start. That's how you win the game. I hope you have the courage to learn. And I hope you would not give up. Keep learning. You're gonna get there. So I can't wait to see your video challenge. I'll see you tomorrow.